Hello and good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm naturally Ray, you can just call me Ray. Now if it is that you've been following my challenge, my 6-week challenge to lose 10 pounds in 6 weeks, you all know that we're basically to the end of the challenge, and I usually show you all how much I weigh on my scale, but this is different because it's Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving. By the time this video comes out, it will be maybe like a week after Thanksgiving, but I hope you all enjoyed your time with your friends, your family, if you celebrate Thanksgiving. Now, yes, I am Trini, but my parents started celebrating Thanksgiving since I was a child, so it's something that we basically do every year, and I'm always really excited about it. Now, you all saw that I made a really big breakfast. Actually, I have it. Let me just show y'all. This smoothie, it is the bomb.com. I know I maybe show this on a lot of my videos, but I absolutely love this smoothie. And I have my eggs and avocado toast, so I'm really excited to eat this. Now, yes, it is Thanksgiving, and usually around Thanksgiving, well, on Thanksgiving, I would eat a lot more food. I definitely don't track anything. I don't think about calories, nothing like that. I just enjoy myself. But I need to have a good breakfast because I would be starving by the time I'm ready to eat later on this evening. No, I would say that this particular week, I really wasn't too much in a calorie deficit for the most part. I was maybe more in maintenance, so the weight on my scale didn't really change. So next week I would basically end off my challenge, but this week is kind of like a off week, and I am not stressing out about it. It is what it is. I just enjoyed myself for the week. I'm gonna enjoy myself today, so I'm gonna have breakfast, and a little later on I'll be showing you all how I make my lasagna. It's not my recipe, but I'll definitely leave the recipe in the description box below. My world famous lasagna that I got from online. But it comes out so perfectly. I'm not too sure if I'll really show a lot of clips with my friends and family and stuff like that, but I'll see how it goes later on. But yeah, so I'll catch up with you all when it is I'm making the lasagna. So it's a little after lunch and I started to get hungry, y'all. I didn't really think that I would have made this. This is like some avocado toast and some ground, is this in focus? Let me see. Okay, some ground turkey, spinach, tomato, some tomato paste, and yeah, I'm gonna have this because I kind of forgot that for Thanksgiving I will be eating actually a couple hours later than I usually have dinner. So I think having this now and then a couple hours having Thanksgiving dinner would be perfect because I'm not starving, but I'm ready to eat something. So I'm gonna have this and I'll show you all how I'm making my lasagna for later. Morning guys. So I realized that I didn't have an outro to this video, and I actually forgot when it is I reached for the Thanksgiving dinner to show the whole spread of everything that we ate. But I did a little video of my plate, so I'll maybe insert it here. We had turkey, ham, chicken, pork, fish, my lasagna. We had macaroni pie, corn pie, sweet potato pie, mixed veg, peas, rice, fresh salad, and I think that was everything. I think that was everything we had dessert. I had cake. I had like the sponge cake. It was not chocolate cake, but I had a sponge cake. I think I maybe have a picture of that. And we had ice cream, of course. Oh, and we also had like some appetizers. We had some sauce. I think most persons took the sauce at the end, and I took some to take home, and everything was delicious, and I felt really good. Even though it was a much bigger dinner than I would usually eat, I tried my best to take just a little bit of everything, and I was really good. I wasn't overdoing it. I didn't overindulge, and I felt really good after. But yeah, so if it is that you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. We will continue, but I will continue with my 6-week challenge and it off next week. So make sure that you subscribe, hit your notification bell so you don't miss when I upload it, and I'll maybe put a playlist of the other weeks where you will see my progress, because like I always show you all how much I weigh on my scale. But again, if this that you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe, and as always, try your best to become the healthiest version of yourselves. And I hope you had a great Thanksgiving with your family. Bye guys.